What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story and the only story of the day is kind of a slow day. Mondays are not extremely fast for tech. There was a story about Philips Hue lights getting the 3.0 update, but I doubt most of you guys have those lights nor care about it, so I decided not to roll with that one. So the only story I picked up was the one about Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus in the May security update that's rolling out right now. They, depending upon where you live and if this is legal, are getting a call record feature. So when you call somebody, right on that dialer, you're gonna see a button that says record, and you'll be able to record that conversation, save it, share it, do whatever you want with it. It's rolling out to India, UK, Russia, and another country. I'll put it on the screen. I don't know if this is going to come to the United States. I researched it a little bit. It looks like call recording is legal, but the person has to know you're recording, and you have to be the person that's recording has to be talking on the phone at the same time. So I'd be kind of surprised. Maybe they will. Maybe Samsung will push this update out to people. It's a cool update to have for sure. You know, it could come in handy. Maybe you just want to record all your calls and save them for later use because you need it for note purposes, or because you want to remember that person's voice. I don't know. I personally probably wouldn't use it that much, but I guess it's a good feature to have built right into the dialer. I know there's been apps, I believe apps in the App Store that allowed you to do this as well. But this would be built, again, right into that Samsung phone dialer so that you can record the call very easily without really much effort at all. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question now to you guys is, would you use that feature? Do you want to record calls? Would you like to see this on all devices? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road. Peace!